Hello, everybody. Today I'm doing the Trigeminal Neuralgia against the Dank Vape Mimosa flavor. THC pen. It's the 1 gram container. And on the back of this one, well, I like this brand name because they always put a little, little notes on the side with it. The THC in this one is 93.39. I'm struggling through this because I'm in pain right now, so I'm gonna advertise this one with the mimosa. So hold on just 1 second. I'm gonna hit it. Cause I'm in, like, my pain level right now is 10. So it's a great time to try it. Okay. I'm still in pain right now. I can tell a little bit that it's kicking in. This flavor is taking a little bit longer than the other ones that I did videos on. They usually hit really fast. My doctor ended up putting me on some a bigger dose of the gabapentin. He said that's the maxed out now. I got 9. He's giving me 900 pills with that one. Now this mimosa dank one, it's taking a little bit longer for me to actually, the pain to subside up. But hold on, give me 1 second. I'm gonna hit the pen again. Okay. I did just do the review on the platinum vape one. You can try this one out for your holidays. They got a candy cane flavor. And next I'm going to be doing a video on this. I already tried it once and it is the truth. So I'm going to be doing a video on this one. I'm actually about to put some on right now. I put it exactly where the pain is rubbed. It's going. It's good to put on. You can slightly rub it in, massage it in. I think that's the good part for my neck and shoulder part of it, and the back of my ear. That's where I put it at. But back to the Dank Vape Mimosa. It's kicking in a little bit. but I'm noticing that I have to take more hits than the other brands to reach it. I'm about to take another hit. This will be my third hit from it. Also, this one doesn't give me a cough back, but that's a good thing. If I find that if I cough real hard on it, that makes my head hurt even worse. It hurt both sides when I cough. Oh, and I ended up going to the ER. Was the day before Thanksgiving. And that was my first time going to the ER here in Michigan, and it was good. They knew what was going on and everything. They treated me well. They gave me the Dilaudid a few times. They did that while I was there, and they actually let me go home on it when I was in Atlanta. When they give you that medicine, they said that I had to spend the night that they had to watch me. But here in Michigan, shoot, they gave me that shot, and hold on just 1 second. I might even be having to take one of my ibuprofen 800s just to level this one out, because this on defense of it, they did this was and none of the, I noticed none of the pens work when you using it. So I'm not going to give it a bad review. I'm going to give it still like a 8 out of 10, but because it's not helping any, it's wearing off already. Let me take another hit. Maybe this is one of the ones that you just got to keep hitting it over again for a little while for it to kick all the way in. It does give out more smoke than the other ones have. Why, I don't know about that part, but it sure does give out a little bit more smoke. The smoke clouds, put it like that. But that's my review on it. The Trigeminal versus Dank Vape Mimosa is a fail. Sorry to say this one is a fail. But I'm going to go. I seen a Fruity Pebble Dank Vapes, and I'm going to try to get that one next and do the video on it. But I'm going to do a video on this first, because this actually was a faster relief from a cream that I've ever got. Okay, love y'all. Goodbye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm doing a bunch of videos on this vape thingy. Bye-bye.